All right, what do you say we have the best workout ever today? Let's do it. 10-minute at-home walking workout. We're starting with a walk. Let's get some arm circles involved too. Real low impact today. Nice and easy, gentle exercises. Just going to boost our mood, elevate our energy, build some incredible strength today, mobility. It's all here. You got this. 10 minutes, no problem. Let's just heat the body up. Let's go backwards with the arm circles. Get nice and warm. Best workout ever. Why not? What if we started with that attitude before we did everything? Best day ever, no matter what happens. No preferences. This is my favorite exercise right now as I make bigger arm circles. Pick up the pace, the lower body. Let's get warm, baby. Yeah. I have a chair today. If you have something nearby that you can use, brilliant. Forward with the bigger arm circles. Just show some great chair exercises, things that we can do as well with our walking workout. From a chair? What? That you say? Oh, we can. All right. Let's just shake that out. Give yourself a hug, a little appreciation. The universe loves gratitude. Be grateful for being alive, for showing up for yourself. It's brilliant that you're here every day. Pretty amazing, really. Okay. Chair. Let's just do some step ups. So we're building real strength, balance here. Get your arms swinging. Find a nice flow. Once you find your spot, head up. And let's just go with it for a moment. Just feel it. Oh no, this is the best exercise ever. Yes. We get to choose what we like. I think there's a real joy and happiness that comes from, hey, if I get to decide what I like, why don't I like everything? If this is the reality of the situation, I get to choose to be happy. What about that? Gotta wash the dishes? I love washing the dishes. Clean the bathroom? I can enjoy cleaning the bathroom. Why not? Just as I can enjoy doing some step-ups. All right. 3, 2, 1. And let's just move laterally. Maybe you're feeling it in the hips. Swing those arms, getting our steps in. Connect the breath. Oh wait, now this is the best exercise. It is a choice. Okay, shake that out. Hopefully you got your chair. We're going to come to a plank hold. I was talking to you about isometric exercise being the best for lowering blood pressure, they say. All right. But isometric exercises are often really accessible. Doing a wall sit or just holding this position if you don't have a lot of space. We're building incredible strength in the upper body, core strength here. But since this is a walking workout, can we maybe just lift the leg a bit? Building strength in the really hamstrings here, so good. Engage your core. And love it. This is amazing. A few more. Hold it. Come on. You can stick with me. I know it. We got this. Yeah. And last one. Brilliant. Let's come into a little bit of a stretch while we're here. Flat back. Oh, just hold that. Feel that stretch in the shoulders, your lower back, the legs. This stretches just covers the whole body. And up. Just had to do it. I love it there. Brisk walk. Come on. Let's go. After that, get the heart rate up a bit. Getting our steps in. Okay. Let's step and twist. Yeah. Really sink into that twist. Come on. Yeah. Couple more. Real deep. Yes. Hold it. Hold it. Okay. All right. You have your chair, so if you need it, you can pull it aside. We're going to march. We're going to hold it for an exaggerated moment. So get it up high. So if you need to hold on to something, the wall's there, that's probably pretty good too. That's fine. But let's just build a little balance. Build an amazing strength in the leg. But we just exaggerate our hold. We're building balance today also. Oh my goodness. What can't we do in 10 minutes? Amazing. I know what you're saying. This is the best exercise ever. It's not just about being positive. It's just accepting this is where I'm at. This is the reality. I get to choose. I didn't know that. I didn't realize that Tuesday can be the best day of the week. The universe didn't decide it had to be Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Any day we get to decide. One more. Let's hold it. Hold it. Brilliant. Since I have my chair, I'm going to pull it out for a second here. I'm going to take a seat. We're going to do some seated jacks. You can do this standing, of course. So you could be doing a side jack, a step jack, standing, by all means. I just want to show, if you got a chair around, sometimes I don't feel like getting up. You're sitting at the table, you're doing some work. Hey, there's so many exercises that are accessible to us. Even when we're seated, I can get my steps in here, build some strength, and a couple more. Yes, brilliant. It's another exercise I love. Good morning. Let's just bend. Feel the lower back's nice and loose now and warm, so you can get down there. If you can't touch the floor, you just do you. Find that edge and just go a little deeper. Head up. Yes. Couple more. Oh, maybe last one. Brilliant. As well, I can, now I want to get my steps in and work the side body. Working the obliques. Just hold it for a moment. We don't need fancy gym equipment. We do not need to overcomplicate this. Just move more often. Find interesting, dynamic ways to move that you'll stick with, and just keep doing those. And get out for that evening walk and walk as much as possible. Stretch it out. Get to the floor. Couple more. Yeah, nice one. Let's get this out of the way. That's it. Brisk walk. And then we'll slow it down to finish our workout for the day. But let's move. Head up high, shoulders back. Move through your day with intention and integrity. Knowing you've shown up for yourself. You're staying consistent, building incredible discipline. Share your progress. Comment, job done. Let me know. Fires me up, inspires others. I love the community we're building here. Oh, a little quicker. Pump those arms. Let's feel good. Yes. All right. Slow it down. Breathe. Pick one thing today that you don't like. And truly tell yourself, nope, I like this. I like doing this. I like washing the dishes. I like doing math homework. I like when the person cuts me off in traffic. And truly believe it. And just do that over and over again and see what happens. It's amazing when we realize we get to decide what we like. Enjoy the challenges, the rainy days, all of it. You get to decide. Keep showing up. It truly matters that you're here showing up for yourself again and again. Well done. See you tomorrow.